For a long, long time, if you wanted to build an app, there was really only one way to do it. You had to code. Well, that whole era, it's coming to an end. We are right in the middle of a new revolution, one where your ideas aren't stuck behind a wall of technical skills. And we're going to break down exactly how it all works.
I mean, of course you have, right? We all have. That flash of genius you get in the shower, or that, hey, wouldn't it be cool if conversation you have with a friend. You know, that perfect little tool you wish existed that would make your life so much easier. We've all been there, dreaming up the next big thing.
And then, bam, reality hits. You run smack into what I call the coder's wall. It's that awful feeling of having this perfect blueprint in your head, but absolutely no tools to build it with. That wall has stopped so many amazing ideas dead in their tracks. Well, until now. Because the game has totally, completely changed. The tools that are popping up right now are rewriting the entire rulebook of creation. It's making it possible for literally anyone, and I do mean anyone, to turn an idea into a real working thing. This right here is the heart of the whole revolution. Just let that sink in for a second. The super exclusive club of software development, yeah, its doors are being thrown wide open. This isn't just a tiny tweak, it's a massive, seismic shift in who actually gets to be a builder in our digital world. So how on earth is this even possible? Well, it's all thanks to these huge leaps in AI, specifically large language models that can understand and write code almost as well as a human can. And this has created a whole new class of tools that act like your own personal tech teammates. They basically fall into two camps, and they represent a huge jump from just getting a little help to, well, having the whole job just done for you. And this evolution is so important to understand. On one side, you've got the AI coding assistant. Think of it like a super smart co-pilot sitting next to you, helping you navigate. But on the other side, you've got the AI building agent. And this isn't your co-pilot. This is the pilot. You just tell it where you want to go, and it handles the entire flight. Okay, so let's look at an assistant first, something like Cursor. Even if you have zero, and I mean zero coding knowledge, you can just describe what you want. You could literally say, hey, build me a simple one-page portfolio website. I want a photo gallery and a contact form. And boom, it generates the code. You're the director, and the AI is your world-class programmer, just bringing your vision to life. But what if you don't even want to see the code? That's where AI agents come in. We're talking about tools like Replit or Bolt that are these all-in-one platforms. This is the next level for real. You're not just directing a programmer anymore. You're describing the final product, and the agent builds it and pushes it online for you. Going from a single sentence to a live app, it honestly feels like magic. And what's so incredible is that all of that old complexity, all those months of specialized, tedious work, has been boiled down into a really simple, straightforward process. You can now break it down into just 3 basic steps. Yeah, the new workflow is it's ridiculously simple. Step 1, describe. Your main job now is just to be a great communicator, to clearly explain your vision. Then, step 2, generate. The AI takes your words and translates them into all the necessary code. And finally, step 3, deploy. The agent takes all that code, builds the thing, and pushes your creation out into the world. Your role has officially changed from coder to visionary. And let's be super clear, this isn't some far-off science fiction concept. This is happening right now. We are living at the very, very beginning of what's going to be a massive explosion of creativity, all because of these new tools. You know, this simple statement from our source material really captures it perfectly. What we're seeing today with tools like Cursor and Bolt, this isn't the end game, it's just the very start. The trend is crystal clear. Creation is getting easier, it's getting more democratic, and it's happening faster than we ever thought possible. So that brings us to the final and really the most important question of all. With that coder's wall finally being torn down, the barrier between your idea and a finished product, it's just gone. The biggest limit is no longer your technical skill. It's just the scope of your imagination. So what problem are you going to solve? What story are you going to tell? What will you create?